My name is Dan. I'm from sunny Los Angeles, California. We've stumbled upon the all-night diner here tonight. Now we're in a city of our very own, full of colorful characters and explosive fireworks, maybe a car or two that we've lit on fire, but let me tell you something. It's not just about the gasoline that ignites us. It's about the people. And there's no shortage of characters over here at Slab City in the motherfucking Salton Sea. Are we ready? Someday will you see all the places that you wanted to see, be all the people that you thought you would be. Say that this is the life that I dreamed I would be. From the grasp of potentially, why does it feel like she's my enemy? So you trudge and you grind, the money bags, well, you don't mind. But when you're old and you're gray, I just know that you say it was never worth the pass me by. You can laugh or you can cry, and you can fall out of love, but it's not the same for goodbye. Well, your eyes are drooping closed, the sun smacks you on the nose. You look around and you know it's one of those days where you say you're too young to have set my course, 'cause I prefer the dirt and the hose. Soft as hands, I'll tishkach et achor. And that's when I know it's not easy to see that this life was made for me, and I'll live it slow. No matter where I've been, oh, I know I will never let that go. Let go.
Indestructible.
You don't have to wait. You don't have to.
I missed all the cars! Holy shit! Oh my god, it couldn't have done any better. It's still going!
You have to wait. You have to wait. You have to wait to be free. Just do it right here, right now.
Yeah!
Thank
Fuck
you,
yeah.
thank you.
Thank you so
Much
much.
appreciated, guys.
Beautiful, man.
Thanks for listening. Thank you, All Night Diner. We'll be back. Maybe we'll see you in Lake Havasu.